Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Bybit card to Apple Pay. First, make sure your Bybit application is fully updated on your iPhone. Then, open the Bybit app and locate the card icon, usually found on the home screen or within the Finance section. Once you are in the Bybit card interface, you will see your card details. Look for and tap the Add to Apple Wallet button or the Apple Pay logo. After tapping the Add to Apple Wallet button, you will be automatically redirected to your Apple Wallet application. Here, your Bybit card information should appear pre-populated. Take a moment to review these details to ensure they are correct. Once confirmed, simply tap Continue in the top right corner to move forward with adding your card to your digital wallet. Next, Apple Pay will present you with its terms and conditions. Please read through them carefully, then tap Agree to proceed. You will then need to verify your card. Choose your preferred verification method, typically either SMS or email. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter the verification code you receive. This step ensures the security of your card and account. Once your card is verified, you will see a confirmation screen in your Apple Wallet, indicating that your Bybit card has been successfully added and is ready to use. That's it. You can now use your Bybit card with Apple Pay at any merchant that accepts contactless payments. Enjoy the convenience and security of using your crypto for everyday purchases, both in-store and online.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.